Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to quickly shut down Windows 11 running computer using only a keyboard. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I'm using a Windows 11 operating system on my respective computer. So if you are using a Windows 10 or older Windows operating system, then these tricks might be different for you. So if you're using a Windows 11 operating system on your respective computer, then you can definitely try this cool tricks. So here we're not going to use our mouse cursor, so you might be thinking just by pressing a Win key and pressing a tab and just pressing a tab again and just selecting this power option and just selecting the shutdown will be the method, right? So here I'm not going to show you this method because it's not the quickest way. So even if you use a mouse also, you need to click on the Windows icon, you need to click on this power icon, again you need to click on the shutdown icon, right? So it's a long method. So here I'll show you the simplest method. So on your computer keyboard, what you need to do is just press Alt F4 and hit enter. Now you can see we have shut down our Windows 11 running computer using only a keyboard. So this is the quickest way to quickly shut down Windows 11 running computer using only a keyboard. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.